Oh, hi, Emma. I was just getting some water.
Hi, David. Me too. My throat was feeling a little dry. It is important to stay hydrated during the workday, isn't it?
It certainly is, especially when you have been talking in meetings all morning. How is your day going so far?
It is going well, thank you. It has been very busy, but productive. I cannot believe it is already Wednesday. This week is flying by.
I know what you mean. The weekend feels like it was only yesterday, but it also feels like it is a long way away. Wednesday is always a strange day.
It is the middle of the week. You are looking back at what you have done and looking forward to what you still need to do. It is a good time to take a small break, like this one.
I agree. A short break at the water cooler is the perfect way to reset your mind for the afternoon. Speaking of the weekend, did you have a nice one?
I had a wonderful weekend. Thank you for asking. It was very relaxing, which is exactly what I needed. I did not do anything too exciting.
A relaxing weekend is sometimes the best kind of weekend. What did you do to relax?
On Saturday, the weather was beautiful and sunny, so I went for a very long walk in the big park by the river. It was so nice to be outside in the fresh air.
That sounds lovely. I love that park. Did you do anything on Sunday?
On Sunday, it was a little rainy, so I decided to have a cozy day at home. I made a big pot of tea, curled up on the sofa, and watched a new movie that just came out. It was perfect. It was a very quiet and peaceful weekend. How about you, David? What did you get up to? Was your weekend relaxing too?
My weekend was the complete opposite of relaxing. It was very busy, but it was also a lot of fun. I did not get much rest at all.
Oh, really? What were you so busy doing?
On Saturday, I spent the entire day helping my good friend, Tom, move into his new apartment. We had to carry so many heavy boxes up 3 flights of stairs. My arms are still a little sore today.
Helping a friend move is hard work. You are a very good friend for doing that. I hope he bought you a pizza afterwards to say thank you.
He did. A very large pizza. And what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was a family day. We had a big lunch at my parents' house to celebrate my grandmother's 85th birthday. The whole family was there. It was lovely.
An 85th birthday. That is a wonderful milestone. It sounds like you had a very sociable weekend.
It was. But now it is back to work. How is your week going in the office? Are you working on anything interesting at the moment?
I am working on the big presentation for the Phoenix project. It is a very important project for the company, so there is a lot of pressure.
You are on the Phoenix project team too? I am also working on that project. We must be working on different parts of it.
I am on the marketing team. My job is to prepare all the slides that explain our new marketing strategy.
I see. I am on the finance team. My part of the project is to prepare all the budget forecasts and the financial projections. It is a lot of work with spreadsheets. It is a huge project
with so many different departments working together. How is your part of the presentation going?
It is going quite well. I have designed most of the slides, and I think they look very professional and clear. However, I am having one small problem.
What is the problem? Maybe I can help.
I am trying to find some specific data about our customer demographics to include on one of the slides. I need to know the average age of our customers, but I cannot find that information anywhere.
I think I know who can help you with that. Have you tried talking to Maria from the research department? She is an expert on customer data.
Maria from research. That is a brilliant suggestion. I did not think of asking her. I will send her an email this afternoon. Thank you, Emma. You might have just saved my presentation.
You are a lifesaver. Thank you. It is so helpful to have colleagues that you can ask for advice.
I am always happy to help. That is what a team is for. Now, to change the subject completely, I noticed something new on your desk this morning when I walked past.
Oh, really? What did you notice?
You have a small, very beautiful clay pot on your desk with a little succulent plant in it. It looks handmade. Is it new?
I am so impressed that you noticed that. Yes, it is new. I made it myself, actually.
You made it? I did not know you were so artistic. It is really beautiful. Have you started a new hobby?
I have. I just started taking a pottery class last month. It is on Tuesday evenings. It is my new passion. I am really enjoying my new pottery hobby. It is a wonderful way to be creative and to switch off my brain after a day of work.
I can imagine. It must be very satisfying to create something beautiful with your own hands. Is it very difficult to learn?
It is quite challenging at the beginning. You have to be very patient. My first few attempts at making a bowl on the potter's wheel were a complete disaster.
What happened to them?
The clay just collapsed into a sad, wet pile. My teacher said it is normal for beginners. But last week, I finally made my first successful bowl. I was so proud of it.
You should be. And this little pot on your desk is perfect. You are a natural talent. It is so important to have a creative hobby outside of our office work. Your new hobby sounds so interesting. It is inspiring me to try something new myself.
You should. It is never too late to learn a new skill. So, speaking of doing things outside of work, do you have any exciting plans for the upcoming weekend?
I don't have any big plans yet. I think I want another quiet and relaxing weekend. I might visit the local library and get some new books. What about you?
I am planning to do something a little more cultural this weekend. A new art exhibition just opened at the City Art Gallery downtown.
A new art exhibition? That sounds wonderful. What kind of art is it?
It is an exhibition of modern photography. The posters for it look amazing. I'm planning to go on Saturday afternoon. I'm really looking forward to it. I love spending a few hours in a quiet gallery, just looking at beautiful images. It is very inspiring.
That sounds like a perfect plan for a Saturday afternoon. Your mention of going downtown just reminded me of something. Have you seen that a new cafe has opened up on the street behind our office building?
A new cafe? No, I had not noticed. I usually don't walk down that street. Is it any good?
I am not sure. I have not been inside yet, but it looks really nice from the outside. It is called the Daily Grind, and it has a beautiful, sunny, outdoor seating area. I have been wanting to try it.
We should go and check it out together sometime. It is always good to have a nice cafe near the office for a change of scenery during our lunch break.
I was thinking the same thing. Are you free for lunch this Friday? We could go and be the first people from our office to try it.
Going to the new cafe for lunch on Friday sounds like a fantastic idea. I am definitely free. It will be a nice way to end the work week.
I agree. Let's plan on it. We can meet in the lobby at 12:30.
It's a date. Well, this has been a very productive water cooler break. We have solved work problems, discussed hobbies, and made plans for the weekend and for lunch.
We have. It was a great chat, but I am looking at the clock, and I think our break is probably over. We should probably get back to our desks.
You are right. I have that presentation to finish. It was really nice talking to you, Emma.
It was lovely talking to you too, David. I will see you later.
Yes, and I will send that email to Maria from the research department right now. Thanks again for the great tip.